guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a very inexpensive, simple, well, I mean kind of simple. I didn't really do it that great. There was a lot of failed attempts to make it kind of decent looking, but regardless, this was pretty inexpensive. The frames is what's really going to cost you the most. The actual prints themselves was just printed off the internet. So there you go with your creativity. You can do whatever you want with this, and I hope you guys have a lot of fun. And comment, like, and subscribe. We're not going to do a whole lot of talking because I don't really think it's necessary. Okay. If you guys were wondering where the star astronomy, whatever, the thing that was projecting onto the ceiling, that actually came off of Amazon. It was pretty inexpensive for what I thought it would be, and it's beautiful to look at night. I will link it down below if you guys are interested. So let's go ahead and get started with the video.
Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.